Welcome to Medha's Bridge, Train and Learn. Let's get started. Python Basic Data Structures. In today's agenda, we shall discuss Python basic data structures, which are lists, tuples, sets, dictionary. Basic data structures. List, tuple, set, dictionary are the collections. Collection is a generic name for container types. List is ordered collection. Ordered collection means elements stored in the same order in which they are inserted. Lists are mutable, means changeable collection. Tuple are ordered collection and immutable. Immutable means unchangeable collection. Set are unordered collection. Unordered collection means elements are not stored in the same way in which they are inserted. Set is immutable. Dictionary, unordered collection and mutable. Now, list, tuple, set, dictionary all are iterable. Iterable means collection can iterated over using loop. Now, list, tuple are allowed duplicate members. Set, dictionary do not allow duplicate members. Lists. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Here, mylist stored multiple items. Print mylist, print type of mylist. Here, list got created using square brackets. See all the elements from mylist and its type. Check size of the list. Using length, we will know the size of mylist, which is 5. Add items to the list. Using append, we can add new item to the list. Print my list. Now we get new list added with a new item, which is strawberry. Check size of the list. Now see the length of the list is 6. Items are ordered, changeable and allow duplicate values because we see mango twice in the list. So the list allows duplicates means list can have items with the same value. Tuples. Tuples are ordered and unchangeable, allows duplicate members. And tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Tuples are written with round brackets, for example, my tuple, and can be empty tuple, for example, my tuple, and can be created with items of different data types. If we would like to create one item tuple, we have to add a comma after the item. Example for one item tuple is this. Example for two item tuple is this. Tuple commonly used for storing dissimilar data. See, we have items which are from different data types. Here is an example. My tuple is an empty tuple. Print my tuple, print type of my tuple and print length of my tuple. Here is the output. Empty tuple, type of tuple and size of my tuple. Here second example, my tuple with one item. Print my tuple, print type of my tuple, print length of my tuple. We get one item tuple, type of my tuple and size of my tuple. Now my tuple has two different data type items. Print my tuple, print type of my tuple, print length of my tuple. We got the tuple and type of my tuple and size of my tuple. Tuples. Tuple items are indexed. The first item index start with 0, 1, 2 and so on. Once a tuple is created, we cannot change its value. Tuples are unchangeable or immutable, as it also is called. Immutable operations like append, remove, insert do not work here in tuple. You can convert the tuple into a list and change the list and convert the list back into tuple. Here is an example. We have my tuple contain two dissimilar values, the string and integer value. The string is at index 0 and the integer value at index 1. If you print my tuple, we get the tuple. If you print type of my tuple, we get class tuple. If you print length of my tuple, we get length of my tuple. Print my tuple 0 gets print the value of string which is at index 0, apple. The print my tuple index 1 prints the value at index 1 which is the integer value 100. Now tuples are immutable. In this example, my tuple index 0 contain apple. If I would like to replace with mango-1, we cannot get the output. It throws type error. The tuple object does not support item assigned because the tuple are immutable. Now sets. Sets are used to store multiple items in a single variable. Sets are collections which are unordered, unchangeable, and unindexed. Sets allow no duplicate members. Sets are like lists except that they do not support duplicates. Items in sets are unchangeable, but you can remove items and add new items. Sets are written with curly brackets. Once a set is created, you cannot change its items, but you can add new item. Here is an example. Set 1 holds string. Set 2 holds integers. Set 3 holds Boolean values. Look at the set 1. Input and output. Order of items displayed in output not same as input. What it means? There is no guarantee that set maintain order. Observe set 3. Sets do not allow duplicates. Hence, output displays only unique values. We can add items to sets using add method. Here is an example. Next example demonstrates sets are unordered and not allow duplicates. The item apple appeared twice in the input, but output displays only one occurrence. Removed the duplicate. Dictionaries. Dictionaries are used to store data values in key value pairs. Dictionaries are collections which are ordered, changeable, and do not allow duplicates. Note: in Python version 3.7, dictionaries are ordered. Dictionaries are written with curly brackets. Keys must be unique and immutable. We can use numbers, strings, or tuples as keys. If key value pairs are repeated, then only one pair gets stored. Elements are accessible through keys. Here is an example. Here, myDict is variable of class type dictionary. Here we have three key value pairs. num1, num2, num3 are keys. And 10, 100, 1000 are the values which are corresponding to keys num1, num2, num3. All key value pairs are separated by comma and enclosed with curly brackets. Look at this example. This demos dictionary does not allow duplicates. Have you observed? We have two same key value pairs in it. Num1 contained value 10 appeared twice. If we print dictionary, it removes duplicates in the output. It gives unique value, which is key value. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, click on the bell icon, and please leave the comment. Happy learning. Thank you. Stay tuned to the upcoming sessions.